Hey guys, so we're gonna do a kind of what's in my fridge slash what main foods I keep in my room. So starting down here, I have some Hi-Seas. Yeah, Hi-Seas. They're like a fruit punch drink. I obviously have Easter baskets getting ready to go out. I do have some extra candy from that. On top of my fridge, I have some cups because, you know, inside here I have Dole pineapple orange juice. I also have Bolthouse Farms breakfast smoothies in strawberry and peach. Up here I have, dude, that's like frozen. I have marinara and cheese sauce. And we're gonna dump it down a notch. Down here I have one Lunchable nacho. And then I have two of these Lunchable snack packs, which are ham and cheese. Actually, I'm gonna move. So there's 3 of these total in my fridge right now, because I just ate one. Behind the Lunchables, I have some red grapes. I'm a grape person, what can I say? And here I have a ton of orange cheeses, and that is all that I have. And so that's actually all I have in my fridge, and really all I have in my room. I'm getting some more food tomorrow, so be prepared for that. Black is a horrible color to pick for a fridge because it gets so dirty. Then again, white would get dirty too. But yeah, that's kind of what I have. So my table itself was too small, so we added, this is like a board, a hard wood board that they cut out, so it brings the table top out further. And yeah, they switched the door around because you'll notice in my pictures it used to open this way, and now it opens this way. And just to prove it to y'all, there's nothing up in the freezer. And something just hit the floor. I got no clue what, nor do I see anything. But that is it for today, actually. So I'll see you next time. Bye!